What does the Weber-Fechner law posit about the change in weight placed into a patient's hand to provide a just noticeable difference? A constant ratio of the original stimulus. For example, if the patient only notices a difference when 500 G is changed to 1000 G, then he or she will next notice a difference at 2000 G. 2. Weber's law posits that, if the smallest difference in sound noticed by a person at a given level is 2 dB, that just noticeable difference of 2 dB will remain constant across all intensity levels. False. Weber's law posits that the just noticeable difference is a constant ratio, not a constant value. A person is carrying a 6 kg grocery bag, to which her friend is gradually adding more items. The person notices the added weight once 0.6 kg has been added. If that person were instead to hold an 8 kg bag, what would be the just noticeable difference? 0.8 kg. The original just noticeable difference was 0.6 kg / 6 kg equals 0.1 equals 10%. A 10% increase from 8 kg is 0.8 kg. Which senses are subject to Weber's law? All senses. Vision, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. The blank threshold is the lowest level of stimulus intensity which the body can detect. Absolute. The blank threshold is the amount that stimulus intensity must be changed in order for a difference to be noticeable by the person. Difference. A resident leaving a shift is walking to her car through a dark garage at night. Fearful of the desolate setting, she notices faint sounds she had not heard when she arrived in the morning. What theory is best illustrated by this example? Signal detection theory. In the context of signal detection, when a subject correctly identifies that a signal is present, this is termed a blank hit. A hit occurs when a signal, such as a flash of light in an experiment, is present and the subject accurately identifies it as such. 9. In the context of signal detection, if a subject identifies a signal as present, but no signal had been presented at all, this is termed a blank false alarm. A false alarm occurs when a signal is absent, for example, no light is flashed in an experiment, but the subject falsely identifies the signal as being present. In the context of signal detection, if no signal is presented and the subject says, "I didn't see anything," this is termed a blank correct rejection. A correct rejection occurs when a signal is absent, for example, no light is flashed in an experiment, and the subject correctly